Hello? Hey, Chico. Yeah, the pool is ready. Okay, I'll be there in a minute. And Chico, don't disappoint me. My time is very valuable. The objective today is to open the pool after a long winter, but it does require some maintenance. In the top part of the pool, there's leaves, algae, bugs, melted ice that turn into water. Just a mess. But with some confidence in the materials needed to clean the pool, everyone will be swimming in no time. When I was draining the water from the top of the pool with the hose only, I noticed the trick wasn't working. The cover of the pool has several openings, allowing the water to sink through, making it difficult to clean out. If you look very closely, you'll notice circle shapes that are around the top of the pool cover. And the reason for that is to drain the rainwater, any melted snow off the top, keeping the leaves from entering the pool, keeping the cover from sinking underneath the heavy water weight, but most importantly, the cover is used for blocking pets and kids from falling into the pool entirely. So the next step is to remove as much unwanted materials out the top of the pool, because I will have to pull the cover off and any remaining mess will have to fall into the pool, resulting in it to be cleaned out.
Look how dirty this pool got. Well, let's get to it.
So I have my pool robot cleaner to clean the bottom of the pool. He's got a lot of work to do. Spring it into action. So when I close the pool, I drink a little bit of water out before I put the cover over it. So I'm gonna have to add some water to fill it back up. This is the pump line right here, so we need to put the water over so we can start cleaning this pool out. Start filling this pool up. So I have the materials ready to be attached to the pool. We're gonna connect this 3-piece hose. Right side goes here. Left side goes on this side. Connect this end of the hole to the top filter. Now I'm going to add this piece of the hose to the filter pump. In order for this to fit, I got to put the jet first on the other side of the pool. Then I connect this to the back of the pool. Now I'm going to connect both of these filters inside the pool. See the plug right there. Take the plug out and install the filter. And put the filter in. Now I start clamping the hose. Here I'm securing the hoses with clamps so they do not fall off. So these are clamped. Perfect. All right, so now that that's connected, just let the air out. You hear that? The water should be coming out. All right, and close it. That means the water circled through the hose. So now the filters are installed. I'm gonna add these sock covers towards the filter so the filter doesn't get dirty. Because what happens is all the debris will go inside here, which is the main pump, and the filter inside get real dirty. But this will take most of all the dirt and keep the filter a bit clean. Roll it up like this. So if you look closely, got the socks on top of the filter. Now that the pump is working with a brand new filter, the jet is flowing. Now I'm gonna put shock into the pool so we could clear this mess up. Shock treatment. The catch is I'm gonna put some in the cup
And just gonna do it like this near the jet. Kind of like shake it around. Just keep doing that till all of it is gone.
I will use a pool brush to spread the shock treatment around the pool so it doesn't just settle into one place.
I'm happy with the results so far. The pool is coming along well. So if you look very closely, the sock that's attached to the filter accumulated a lot of the dirt from the pool, which prevented the pump with the filter inside from getting dirty very quickly. So this is what the sock picked up. Pool is coming along pretty well. There's still some dirt inside the water. I want to check the balance of the water with this two-way kit for the pool. We're going to check the chlorine to see if there's enough chlorine in the side of the pool. If not, we'll add chlorine in the pH balance. We want to see if it's high, low. I'm going to be using this chlorine drop and the pH drop. What we're going to do is we're going to add water to about this level on each side and put the drops in the individual ones that goes to it and see what we need and what we don't need. Open the tops, dip it inside the water. Empty some out. It's about there. Now we'll go test it. So I have the water almost to the top, but enough room for the drops to go in. This side will be the chlorine, this side will be the pH. Start with the chlorine. Give it 2 drops. 1, 2. And now the pH. 2 drops. 1, 2. Make sure you don't contaminate. Close the bottles right after you use them. Now we'll put the top back on. Shake it. And as you can see, it reacts right away. So we actually don't have chlorine in our pool. So it's too clear. I'm gonna add some chlorine to it change to yellow, which is see here, clear. And the pH is actually not bad. It's more like right here, deal. Use this cup, use the measurement. I'll put actually a line here, how much I'm gonna put. We use just this kind of bleach. I really don't use any of those capsules for Clorox that dissolves. It's too much chemicals. This is not harming. I actually use it, it's pretty good. So I pour some bleach to add the Clorox near the jet pump and pour it all the way in. Just let it run out a little bit, flow with the water that's coming out the jet pump. Empty some water out so you have enough space to put the drops. This is for the chlorine. 1, 2, 3 drops. As you see how fast it turns into yellow. That means that's good. 1, 2, 3 for the pH. Close it up. Shake it. And voila. So the pH is up to the top. That's fine. Clorox, it's a little bit extra
but it's not as bad. You can actually still swim in it. There's some pools where you won't even notice that they put a lot of chlorine in it. You probably experienced that, but this is fine. You can actually still swim in a pool like this.
So I finally cleaned out the pool. As you see here, it's much cleaner from the way it looked before. It took some time and patience, but the end results was very pleasing. I'm all ready to jump in so I can enjoy the pool for the summer. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy your summer and get your swim on as well.
But wait, how can I validate this pool is really clean?
How's the pool?
No.
What you mean no?
No.
So why you in it?
Grandma put me in it.
Ah, the water's clean?
Yes.
Nice. Have fun.
Have fun. Yeah. You're recording me. I know that.
There's your answer. The pool is clean.